If a nigga won't beef, I give him hot shells. We don't tweet, don't speak, we grindin' like guardrails. Bitch, we up next like I'm RL. On my Ralph Lauren, say RL.
Smoking Raphael, sipping DIALTONE. Got a bad bitch that's mellow yellow, and a booty shaking like hella jello.
I just popped the bean, that's an XOXO. Bitches give me head like an extra cello. I just brought the gang, that's an extra fellow. Yeah, I'm from the streets, but don't you ever cross.
I know niggas that'll rob you if you flossin'. Yeah, I'm stunning. You can call me Steve Austin. Winter time, come on, your bitch lips and leave them frosted.
Cause I hit and I quit, you know I hit and I quit. Yeah, yeah.
Fucking your bitch, never say what I commit. Yeah, yeah.
Bitches ain't shit, I swear these bitches ain't shit. Yeah, yeah.
Hitting the line, that's on the getting the click. Yeah, yeah.
Hitting the line, that's how they get in the click. That's how they get in the click.
Bitches ain't shit, that's how they getting the click. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cause I hit and I quit, you know I hit and I quit. Yeah, yeah.
Fucking your bitch, never say what I commit. Yeah, yeah.
Bitches ain't shit, I swear these bitches ain't shit.
Yeah, yeah. Hitting the line, that's how they getting the click. Yeah, yeah.
Hitting the line, that's how they get in the click. That's how they get in the click.
Bitches ain't shit, that's how they getting the click. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my god. He's off the joints in this bitch right now. Bro, y'all need to see him in this. Come see us today.